Hello everyone, my name is Virality, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create text for your gaming videos. Let's begin. So this video is going to be broken up into 3 different stages. First stage, we're going to be creating the text. The second stage, we're going to be creating master styles to make it easier in future to create the text. And then the third step is going to be how to install fonts from the web. So first you're going to want to open up Premiere Pro CC. We're going to then create a project, and then when we're in the project, we're then going to go down to the project folder, import our footage. If you're like me and you record your audio separately, then you'll also have an extra audio file. Once we got those, drag those into the timeline. I've already gone ahead and actually found my clip that I want to use, so I'm just going to jump straight to that. It's going to take you a bit of time to find the highlighted parts that you want to use, so pause the video here, find the clips, and then resume. So now that we have our clips, what we're actually going to do is we're going to create the text box itself. To do that, we're going to go over to the little T, and then we're going to click on the T, go up to our program panel, and drag. This will then create a text box to the size that we've dragged to. What we can then do is actually type the words that have been said, mimicking the vocals. From there, now you have the actual text, but it looks plain and boring. So we're going to actually style it. To do that, you'll see on the right side there's a new panel that has opened up. There's a bunch of settings you can change. You can either copy me or you can create your own style in yourself. I'd suggest creating your own style, finding something that works for your videos. So once you've actually edited the text, go back down to the timeline, change the duration of the text box itself to the amount of time that you actually want it to be. So we're also going to be adding a pop animation to our text. To do this, we're going to change the scale and the anchor point. To change the scale, we're going to add 3 keyframes. The first one's going to be 0, the second one's going to be 105, and the third one's going to be 100. To change the anchor point, you just click on the anchor point until the little round circle in the center pops up, and then you're going to drag that in the middle of your text. So as you can tell, it's going to take quite a lot of time if you have a lot of text in your footage. Doing all this editing, changing the fonts, blah blah blah, it's just going to take forever. So what we're going to do is actually create a master style. To do that, go on the text that you've already created, scroll down until you see master styles, and hit create new master style. Change it to whatever name you would like to do, and then when you create a new text, all you have to do is go down, scroll down to master styles, and click on that master style you just created. It will convert all of the style formatting to that new text from that old one. So now you can do this over the entirety of your video without having to rechange the font, rechange the size, and stuff like that. What I like to do with my master styles is I like to have different colors depending on the people that are talking. So I create one for red, one for blue, one for green, and one for gray, for instance. Now to stay unique in this market, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to create our own unique styles. One of the ways you can do that is by having your own unique font. Now doing any of the presets is kind of boring and plain, so what I'd suggest is actually going online, finding the website thefonts.com, and then choosing one of the 3 fonts that they have there. This will allow you to have a more unique style in your videos. If you don't know how to install it, what I suggest you do is you go down to your Windows folder, which you'll find on your operating system. Once you're on that Windows folder, then you'll go down to fonts, Then you'll take that font that you just downloaded and extract it into there. That will then import the font file, so when you go back into Premiere Pro CC, you'll then see your font. Anyway, that's it for this video. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. If you learned anything from the video, please leave a like, it really helps. I also am open to suggestions, so also leave me a comment as well. And if you want to see any more content, hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. Anyway, my name is Virality. Thanks for watching.